If you use one of our marketing services, you can also access your own marketing report. On this real-time dashboard, you will find information about the behavior of visitors on your website, but also about the work we do for you in the context of the marketing services. You can find this dashboard under Main Menu and then click on Marketing Report. Depending on the services you have with us, you will see different dashboards. I'll show you how this works now.
So after logging in, go to Dashboards and click on Marketing Report. Please note, this dashboard is only available if you use one of our online marketing services. So let's take a look at the various dashboards and start with the performance-based marketing dashboard. So on top of the dashboard, you can see some information about the number of visitors on the website. On the right top corner, you can select the date range, for example, the last 30 days. If you want to make a comparison, you can click on it and select compare to last period or to last year if you want to make a year-on-year comparison. Once you make your selection, click on apply. If you make a comparison, you can see the total number of visits and you can see it's up 127% compared to last year for this website. If you scroll down, you can see the average session duration, which is 1 minute on this site, the number of new visitors, which is up 152% compared to last year, and the number of returning visitors. If you scroll down, you can see the number of people visiting the website per device, like mobile, desktop, and tablet. You can also see the traffic sources, and if you scroll down a bit further, you can see the events and search terms. Bear in mind the search terms displayed on this report are search terms people use on your website. So these aren't the search terms people use to end up on your website via Google. If you scroll down further, you can see the total revenue for this webshop, which was a little bit over £2,000. You can see the number of purchases, the conversion rate, and the average transaction value. If you go down further, you can see the revenue per traffic source, and as you can see, organic traffic is the most important traffic source if you look at the revenue on this website. You can see the most popular products and the revenue per device category. If you go further down, you can see the link building we've done. The domain rate is an overall indicator giving you an idea of the popularity of the website, and for this one it's 37 out of 100. There are 723 domains referring to this website, and you can see we created blogs on a number of websites pointing to this webshop. And as you know, the more links, the higher the popularity and the better the domain rate will be. Another dashboard is the local SEO dashboard. You can see an example over here. The first part of the dashboard includes information about your Google My Business profile. Bear in mind there's always a small delay in the figures, so you will never see any information from the last 2 days. The first graph shows you the number of times your Google Business profile is being displayed. So, as you can see, a few days ago, this location has been viewed 3,500 times just on Google. If you scroll down, you can see the number of reviews written in the last 30 days for this garden center, and only one review has been written. 949 people clicked on the call button and 846 people clicked on the link to get directions to this garden center. Now obviously we'd like this figure because the more people are looking up the directions, the likelier it is you get more visitors to your garden center. Why would you look up the directions anyways? If you look at the average rating, this is linked to the number of reviews. So this one person who wrote a review gave a rating of 5. A little bit over 2,100 people clicked to the website of this garden center via Google My Business, and the photos have been shown over 163,000 times. If you scroll down, you can see the number of recent reviews, and you can see if you reply to it, yes or no. We always advise you to give a reply, whether it's positive or a negative review. If you scroll down a bit further, you can see some figures pulled from Google Analytics, like the number of visitors on the website, the session duration, the total number of visits, and the number of returning people on your website. If we scroll down a bit more, you can see the locations where your customers are coming from and a map highlighting the countries. In this case, it's a Canadian garden center, so the majority of the people came from Canada.
As you can see, we combine information from different sources in the marketing reports. We think it's more accessible than Google Analytics, which we often hear is very feature-rich, but also a bit confusing.